You're welcome back to this channel. In today's class, we want to use Gaussian elimination method to solve simultaneous equations involving three unknowns. In the previous videos, we have used matrix method and determinant method. And I told you that determinant method is also known as Cramer's rule. Now, we want to use another method now. So, having given the three equations now, so the next thing is that we have to write in a matrix form. So let's do that. So let's write the coefficients of the unknowns now. So the coefficients of the unknowns of the first equation, we have 1, 2, minus 3. That is coefficients of x, coefficients of y, coefficients of z. So let's do for the second equations. 2 minus 1 minus 1. For the third equation, 3, 2, 1. So let's write out the unknowns values x, y, z. Then the solution 3, 11 minus 5. Now here's it. So for Gaussian elimination method, the next that we need to do is to form out what we call augmented matrix. So this augmented matrix is when we include the solution here, that is the constant here, the answers to each equation, we include it to the main matrix. B, that is the augmented matrix, is equal to 1, 2, minus 3, 2, minus 1, minus 1, 3, 2, 1. So we need to include this column matrix 3, 11, minus 5. So 3, 11, and minus 5. So this is what we call an augmented matrix. So after forming the augmented matrix, the next thing that we need to do is to go to the first column of the augmented matrix. That is 1, 2, 3. So now we want to make the second element of the first column and the third element of the first column of this augmented matrix. We want them to be equal to 0. So we want 2 and 3 to be equal to 0. So now, the next thing that we need to do now is to take these 2, that is the second element of the first column of augmented matrix, you divide it by the first element. So what I'm saying here is that you take 2 divided by 1. You know, it's still the same thing as 2. So this 2, you use it to multiply the first row. Use it to multiply the first row. Now, if you say that 2 multiplied by 1, you know, we have 2. 2 multiplied by 2, we have 4. 2 multiplied by minus 3, we have minus 6. 2 multiplied by 6, we have 6. Now, after getting this one now, you now say that the second row here, the second row of the augmented matrix, the second row, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1, 11, minus these values that we got now. So it will be 2 minus 2. So the matrix that we need now will be, you write the first row, don't change the first row. So we have 1, 2, minus 3, and 3. So you repeat the first row. Now, row 2 minus the answer got in here will be 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Minus 1 minus 4 is what? Minus 5. Write that minus 5 here. Now, minus 1 minus 6 minus 1 minus 6 is equal to what? minus 1 plus 6, and that is what? 5. Write 5 here. 11 minus 6. 11 minus 6 is equal to what? 5. So we write 5 here. To go to the same first column of the augmented matrix. So the last element there, divide it by the first element there, that is 3 divided by 1 is equal to 3. Now multiply it by the first row of the augmented matrix. So here we have 3 multiplied by 1, 3. 3 multiplied by 2, 6. 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is minus 9. And 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. So now, we now go to the last row of the augmented matrix, that is 3, 2, 1, minus 5. So take away these 3, 6, minus 9, and 9. So it will be 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. 2 minus 6. 2 minus 6 is what? Minus 4. Right? Minus 4. Are we together? Now, 1 minus 9 is equal to what? 1 plus 9, and it is what? 10. So you write 10 here. Minus 5 minus 9. Minus 5 minus 9 is what? Minus 14. So you write minus 14 here. So we are done with that one. But we're not through. Now, we now go to this new matrix. New matrix now. Go to the second column there. Here is the second column. This is 2 minus 5 and minus 4. That is the second column there. The last element of the second column of the new matrix, we want to make it 0. You are dividing the last element of the second column of the new matrix by the second element of the second column of the new matrix. So it will be minus 4 divided by minus 5, which is equal to what? 4 over 5. So it is this 4 over 5 that we now use to multiply the second row of the new matrix. So this is what I'm saying. So you multiply everything here by what? 4 over 5. Now, so it will be 0 multiplied by 4 over 5 is equal to, I write it here, 0. Minus 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 is what? Minus 4. So minus 4. Minus 4. 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 is what? 4. Then 5 multiplied by 4 over 5 is also 4. So now do subtraction. So we need to get another matrix. So you are going to repeat the first element, first row, 1, 2, minus 3, 3. Repeat the second row, 0, minus 5, 5, 5. So it is this one that we just want to work on. So it will be 0 minus 0, 0. Minus 4 minus 4 is it? Minus 4 minus 4 is what? Minus 4 plus 4, and it is what? 0. So you write 0 here. Now, 10 minus 4. 10 minus 4 is what? 6. Now, minus 14 minus 4. Minus 14 minus 4 is what? Minus 18. So that is minus 18. So you write minus 18 here. So after doing this one, that means we are done. We are done. Now, what we have formed here, what we have generated here is, you know, this is the solution here, so it has changed now. So from this matrix, 1, 2, minus 3, 0, minus 5, 5, 0, 0, 6. You can see that this is what we call triangular matrix. This is triangular matrix, but this is upper triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix. Let me write it. Upper triangular matrix. This is upper triangular matrix. Now, so what we need to do now is to separate this matrix from the constants. So this is the matrix. Now let's multiply it by the unknowns x, y, z, and the solution will be 3, 5, minus 18. It has changed. So what we need to do now is to do back substitution. So that means we start from the back, from here. So if we do the multiplication, 0 multiplied by x is 0, plus 0 multiplied by y, that is also 0, plus 6 multiplied by z, that is 6z, is equal to minus 18. That will be 6z is equal to minus 18. So from here, divide both sides by 6. Cancel, cancel. So that means z is equal to minus 3. So we have gotten the value of z. So no, we are doing it backwardly. So the other thing that we need to do here is to go to the second row. So 0 multiplied by x, that is 0. So we have 0 plus minus 5 multiplied by y, that is minus 5y. So minus times minus, so that will be minus 5y. Then 5 multiplied by z, that is 5z, so plus 5z is equal to what? 5. Is equal to 5. Now, but recall that our z is equal to minus 3. So I have minus 5y plus 5 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 5. So minus 5y plus 5 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to minus 15. Minus 15 is equal to 5. So from here I have minus 5y is equal to 5 plus what? 15. So from here, minus 5y is equal to 20. So if I divide both sides by minus 5, that means my y is equal to minus 4. So y is equal to minus 4. So the next thing that I am going to do now is to go to the first row now. So the first row will be 1 multiplied by x, that is x. 1 multiplied by x. 2 multiplied by y, that is plus 2y. Minus 3 multiplied by z, minus 3z is equal to 3. And I know my z to be equal to minus 3, my y to be equal to minus 4. So I have x plus 2 multiplied by minus 4 minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is equal to 3. So x is x plus 2 multiplied by minus 4, that is minus 8. Then minus 3 multiplied by minus 3, that is plus 9, is equal to 3. So I have x plus minus 8 plus 9, that is 1. So plus 1 is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3 minus 1. That means x is equal to 2. So here the solution to this simultaneous equation will be x equals to y equals minus 4 and z is equal to minus 3. So you can choose the formula that's to be easier for you. So that's me our matrix x, that is x, y, z is equal to 2 minus 4 minus 3. So that is how to use Gaussian elimination method to solve simultaneous equations involving three unknowns. Till I see you in the next class. Bye bye.